Today, I want to show you all how I sign up for my OneForma account and get successful. So, first of all, if you want to apply for a job in OneForma, it would be nice that you first of all log in. So, first of all, I know that you will say, how then did you log in to know when you don't have an account yet? You can just maybe create a random account, but for this tutorial, I want to go straight to the account I want to make use of. So first of all, what to do is to go in there in the OneForma website and check for the jobs that are currently recruiting. Like now, I like applying for translation projects. So there are other projects to do, like speed and all of it. So the translation project, they usually always have tax and they pay per word. You understand? They pay per word. So let me go for translation projects. You might be wondering, but then I don't know how to speak different languages or whatever, but I will show you how to do the tax. It's very simple. All you just need is your Google Translate extension and your what's it called? Your Copilot for paraphrasing. So that's just what you need. So let's head on to the browser. And a lot of it, so native language is spoken. Put let me put Spanish. 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 Let me use Spanish Ecuador. Then which other one again should I use? Spanish Ecuador, French Canada. Then French Canada. Which other popular European language? Okay, let me put German, Germany. German, Germany. And then Turkish, Turkey. Turkey. Oh, I forgot. OneForma is only three. But on my CV, I would add Turkish, Turkey, Italian, Italy, Dutch, Netherlands. How did you hear about us? I would say friends or family. I'm an expert in translation, Like, yeah. AI data annotation. Yo, I'm interested in opportunities in maximum 10. Let's select something. Alright, so let's move on. So now it's to upload the resume. So now, since you have selected these ones now, because I told you that the best way is to already have an account, so you choose the job. But as we are creating now like this, we can also utilize this account. That's why I didn't disclose the email I'm using. So let's head on and make the CV accordance to the jobs I've selected here. So let me show you how to make the CV that sets you apart, and also how to verify the number.
Freelance career? Have you been wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started: where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now.
We're going to be diving into both, actually trying to find out which one brings in more money. So if you're interested in all of that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload videos on how to make money or how to score brand deals. Make sure you comment down below, and if you are a returning subscriber, please do comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate it.